In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add and delete custom contact fields in Wix. Start by opening your Wix dashboard after logging into your account. From the left side menu, click Customers and Leads, then select Contacts. This will open your contact list, where you can choose the contact you want to update. Click on the contact to open their details. Then click the Edit icon, shown as a pencil, to open the contact editor. Inside the editor, scroll down to the bottom of the Contact Details section until you find the option to add a new field. Click Add New Field. From the list of available field options, select Custom Field. This will open the window where you can create a new custom field for the contact. Next, choose the field type you want to use. Wix gives you different field types depending on the kind of information you want to store. After selecting the field type, enter a name for the custom field. Make sure the name is clear so it is easy to recognize later. If needed, you can also enable the personal information setting for the field. This is useful if the field contains sensitive personal data. You may also see advanced settings, which you can configure based on how you want the field to behave. Once everything looks correct, click Add Field. The new custom field will now appear in the contact editor. Enter the value you want to save in that field, and then click Save to apply the change to the contact. If you want to delete a custom field, open the same contact again and click the Edit icon to return to the contact editor. Find the custom field you added, then use the available Delete or Remove option for that field. After removing it, save your changes again so the update is applied. When you are done, go back to the Contacts page and review the contact to confirm that your updates were saved correctly. This helps make sure the custom field was either added with the right value or removed successfully. Using custom fields in Wix is a simple way to organize extra information about your contacts and keep records that fit your business needs. Once you know where to find the contact editor and field settings, the process is quick and easy to repeat whenever needed. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.